Hi everybody, welcome to this quick video on closing a winter pool when something goes wrong. Now we've actually got a sand filter for this swimming pool and the pressure gauge has actually broke and now I can't run the pump. We've had a builder in who's replaced some of the slabs, so I've not closed the pool. It's now the 19th of November. We normally close the pool first or second week in October. So as you can see, it's nice and green. So what we're going to do today is close the pool, just put the cover on. I've tried to get out as much of the leaves as I can see. And as soon as the pump is in operation, I'll put some chlorine in and we'll see what the swimming pool looks like when we open it again in April. So this video is about closing a green pool for the winter. In 16 years, this is the first time this has ever happened to me. So it's an experiment for me as well. But I'm sure that when we open this pool in the spring, it's going to be crystal clear, but on the bottom of the swimming pool will all be the dead algae and any rotten leaves that I didn't get out. And they will just be hoovered up. But the majority of the pool will be crystal clear, fingers crossed. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, we've managed to get the cover on, me and the boys, and we'll see you again in 5 months time to see what the pool's like when we open the pool up in the spring. Hopefully the pool people will send someone over to fix the filter and we can get the pump running and I'll put the chlorine in at that point. I'll give it a shock and we'll go from there. Welcome back, it's the 23rd of November and the guy from the swimming pool centre has just left. And he's fixed the sand filter now, so the pump's now running, so we're back in operation. Now I could, if I wanted, reopen the pool and clean it as normal and then reclose it, but what I think I'll do is I'll stick to the original plan, which was to just put the chlorine treatment in and we'll see what it's like in the spring, because it may have taken longer for the pool people to come out. In which case, you know, it's not just a couple of days, it could be a couple of weeks. So I think we'll leave it to the original plan and just see what happens for this spring. Okay, guys, here's the valve pressure gauge, and it basically popped out, creating a hole here, and the water was just squirting out. So that's why I couldn't run the pump. But it's been fixed now, 23rd of November. The pump's now running. Just put the chlorine in and changed the skimmer filter nets. I'm going to run the pump for 48 hours just to get that chlorine through the whole pool, and then I'm going to switch it off, probably just switch it on once a week for a couple of hours a day, and we'll see you again in a few months time, probably March going into April. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's the 27th of March 2022. Spring is in the air, so we're going to open the swimming pool. Now last time I saw you was in the autumn and we hadn't closed the pool correctly. We actually closed the swimming pool as a green swimming pool. The reason being I couldn't run the pump because there was a problem with the sand filter. So I had to close the swimming pool green with no chemicals. A couple of days after we closed the pool, the sand filter was fixed. I did put the chemicals in at that point, but I didn't clean the swimming pool. So it's going to be a first for me as well as for you to see the condition of the swimming pool after the last 4 months. Now this film is actually being filmed in 4K using our new system, a Sony AX53 4K camcorder along with a shotgun microphone. So you might be able to see the difference between this video and the previous ones on this video of cleaning a swimming pool and closing a green pool. Let me know in the comments below if you did notice a difference. Okay. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to go over as quickly as we can. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. And then get this bit up. Okay, here's the pool. It's not as clean as if I'd closed the swimming pool and cleaned the pool prior to closing, but it's a lot better than I expected. As I mentioned earlier in the autumn, there's a lot of dead algae at the bottom, so I'll hoover that up, give the sides a clean, and I will just follow what I did in my other video of how to clean a green swimming pool fast, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description, as well as at the end of this video. You'll see a thumbnail, so you can click on that video and see how to clean a green swimming pool fast. This will be crystal clear in 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed this short video on what happens when you close a swimming pool with green water. If you did, please leave a comment below, and don't forget, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give it a big like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.